Now, this is very important for all my Los Angeles drivers to know about, and that is the new no-touch phone law. This just got passed, and I'll be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if other cities, other states did something like this, because as we all know, texting and driving, being on your phone while driving, massively illegal, very, very unsafe. We all know this. But Los Angeles just took this a step further, that if you have your phone, so obviously I have my phone case because I film all my videos with my phone, in case you didn't know. Let's say I have my phone, pretend this is my phone, and I'm driving, and it's in my hand. Even if it's just in my hand like this, and I'm driving, even if I'm not touching it and I'm looking this way, if a cop sees me holding my phone, I can get a ticket. Hence the name no touch phone policy. And I will say this, some people may argue this because you're like, hey, what if you pick up your phone to look at the GPS? What if you pick up your phone, hit a button to go to the next song? What if you look at your phone just to see what the time is, right? Whatever the case is, you can still get a ticket. I know some people may argue against this. I think this is a good idea. And I've talked about this in so many videos. I still don't get it. Get a phone mount. If you get a phone mount, you're good. And I want to stress that, right? So if I have a phone mount in my car, and let's say I'm driving for Uber, and I'm driving for Lyft, I'm doing whatever, if I'm like this, and I'm trying to accept the next ride and check the GPS and maybe change, it's insanely unsafe, but also to me annoying. And I've said this before in so many videos that the amount of times now, halfway through 2025, that I've been driving and I see someone holding their phone in their hand and they do this like head bob motion, I like to look at the GPS. And I'm like, one, isn't that annoying? Like, does that hurt your neck? Like, even me just doing that right now kind of hurt. And then two, it's insanely unsafe. Like, and let's say phone mounts were $1 million, I'd get it, but you can get one on Amazon. The one that I personally use is like $15 on Amazon. I've seen some phone mounts at the dollar store for $1, right? Although for some reason, Dollar Tree, everything is $1.25. Definition of irony. Anyway, though, but this is a big thing to keep in mind. And I will say this too. I think even if you're not in Los Angeles, most of my subscribers, I think, are not, right? Because Los Angeles is just one city. Of course, even if you're not, get a phone mount. They're so cheap. I'll post in the description below the one that I personally bought. I have no affiliation with this company. I think it's called Ioto, I think is the name. I can't remember. Something like that. It was like $15 on Amazon. Just get a phone mount. That way you don't have to worry about any legal issues. You don't have to worry about, especially I think the biggest thing is being safe, because when you have that phone mount right there on your car, super easy, super safe. You can look at the road and glance back and forth really briefly as was holding it. Because keep in mind, like I said, if you're in Los Angeles and you don't have a phone mount, which get one, I don't know why you don't. If you don't have a phone mount and you're in Los Angeles and you got caught holding your phone, even if you're not doing anything on it, you can get a ticket. And although some people may be mad about this, I hate to say in this day and age, I think it's a great idea because it's so easy to get a phone mount now. It's so cheap. Just get one. It's way safer and way more convenient.